Hey guys, what's going on? Ben Poly97 Poly here. As you can tell, we got another video review, this time of the original Shogun Megazord from Mighty Morphin Power Rangers Season 3. So let's get started with it real quick. Now we got Red Shogun Zord. I love the Shogun Megazord. It's one of my all-time favorite designs ever. I absolutely love the design of it. Let's get into the articulation. Head doesn't move. Arms rotate all the way around, and that's really it. Let's start with the yellow Shogun Zord. Over here we got the yellow Shogun Zord. Same basic stuff. Yep, so that's the yellow Shogun Zord. Now we got the black Shogun Zord. This, same thing. So that is the black Shogun Zord. Now we got the pink Shogun Zord. Now here's what's funny. This was supposed to be white. But back then, they tortured more the girls than the guys, because back then they just wanted more girl stuff, I guess. But I'm not against, girls or anything like that. It's just, why just give us the white Shogun Zord to be more accurate, I guess. But if you guys want to paint this, you can. If you want to get the Japanese version of this, which is Muteki Shogun, which goes for a lot of money, this really isn't a bad substitute, really. I think it's just a cool what if. So arms only rotate, all the way around. You get the gist of it. I guess I don't have to show everything. And here is the blue Shogun Zord. Billy's, of course. As you can tell, I am missing stickers. Oh, okay. Sorry about that, guys. The pink Shogun Zord dropped. So here's the blue Shogun Zord. Now let's get to the Shogun Megazord. So what we do is rotate that in. Rotate that in. Rotate that. Now we got an arm. Blue Shogun Zord's pretty much the same. Actually, I'm going to move these on camera, just, move these off camera. Blue Shogun Zord. We move that. Move that. Fold that up. Now we got another arm. Yellow Shogun Zord and black Shogun Zord are pretty much the same way. So what we're going to do here is we got to open that up. Hold that up. Close that in. Fold the legs in. Hold that in. Now we got a leg. Black Shogun Zord, same thing. Fold that in. 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 Now we got... Excuse me here, guys. Arms are killing me. Now we got the red Shogun Zord transformation. Now we got... Fold that in. Pull the helmet out. Fold these in. Put that in. Put the crest up for the Shogun Megazord. Fold that up. Sorry about that, guys. Camera jolted there for a minute. Now we gotta fold that in. And make sure you guys pull these up and fold that up, because these are part of the leg clips. Alright, now we can bring all of them in. First off, let's start with the legs. Actually, oop, and I got that backwards. Clip that in. Clip that in. Oh my god, I'm actually gonna have to pick up the phone. This thing is so massive. clip that in. Clip that in. I'm gonna have to... Hang on, you guys. Let me prop you guys up so you can see. Let me prop you guys up a bit so you can see. There we go. Now you can see it. And over here, you gotta pull that up. And there you have the Shogun Megazord. One of my all-time favorite designs ever. It just looks awesome looking. This is one of my all-time favorite Zords ever. Megazords, I should say. Yeah, this is one of my all-time favorites. I'm glad I got a good deal off of it at Lexington Comic-Con. Well, articulation, this is a Megazord, guys, so Megazords don't have that much articulation. So, that's it. That's all. And I do want to get the show accurate crest for this. This is completely inaccurate, and let's start in the sword real quick. Here's the sword for the Shogun Megazord. Oh my god. Sorry about this, guys. There. Well, guys, I'm not going to edit it. If you want to hit thumbs down, go right ahead. I don't care. But I don't care. And that's it for the Shogun Megazord. But we're not done yet. There's actually another combination that we have to do. Stop it.